Okay, we're going to show you how you can turn any shed into an off-grid shed that has power with our dummy-proof DIY battery / solar kits. So what we have here is one of our batteries with the inverter in it, and you can see some of the details of them in a different video, but we have it plugged in and on. You can see this little light here was my flashlight for what we got going on. And we're going to plug this shed into our battery inverter. And it's what we got here. You can see our power cord that came off of something else. And this wire just came down and went to something else that used to be here. But it was just dangling down and hot here when I had powered it up earlier. But this will be our supply. So this will go into the rest of the system that was already installed and tied to the grid. It lost its grid tie. So we're just going to power up the electrical wires that are here. You can see we installed a light. We replaced the old, really old light switch that didn't work there. And we'll have an outlet, and all we got to do is plug it into our battery now. So this is an old wiring, so it actually doesn't have ground, but it doesn't matter here. Let's get this plugged in. All right, see, we got her plugged in. Our light's on. Works on this pull cord. And our other light works on the light switch. So as long as that's plugged into the battery, it will work. And the system will stay on. We can turn all the lights off. And the power in here will stay energized. The outlet and everything. And this battery will only use the ambient power of just keeping the inverter running. And if we have a small solar panel or something plugged into it, it should keep it running okay. But that's just in a very simple form how you can turn a shed into an off-grid shed. Now we do need to find a way to charge this, so like our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and we'll show you in some of the other videos how we're going to charge this